Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Mildred Valera.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic?
Are you married?
No. I'm
Oh,
single.
Okay. Do you have kids?
No.
How many kids? No kids. Okay. So, how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong for 23 years and 1 month.
Okay. So, do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, I did.
Where?
In Singapore.
How many years?
3 years.
Okay. And then?
I look after 4 children. And
No more. Okay.
came to Hong Kong.
So how long you been working with your current employer?
I've been working with them for more than 7 years.
Okay. So, where's your employer living in?
They live in Hong Lokin, Taipo.
How many square feet of your entire house?
We live in a 3,400 square foot house. It's a residential house.
Okay. How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
2 children, aged 3 and 5.
Okay. So, would you please describe the daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I start my work at 7. I prepare the snack for the children, and then after that I walk the dogs for 1 hour, and at around 7:50 I walk the children to school, and after going back to the house I start my daily work.
Okay. So, how about marketing? Do you market?
I do marketing after preparing the children's school lunch, because I bring them school lunch.
Okay.
And after bringing the school lunch, I go to market.
Okay. So, how about dinner? What time you cook?
I only cook for the children. I don't cook for my employer.
Okay.
I seldom cook for them.
Okay. So, what time you go to bed?
I finish my work at 7. I start at 7 to 7.
Okay. Thank you so much.